Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set lens sensitivity options on the PUBG Mobile application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Then click on this button in the right side corner of the screen down below, and then tap on the settings button at the top. After that, click on sensitivity in this left side column and tap on lens in the middle of the screen, and here you can set camera sensitivity. You can set the TPP no scope on the slide, then the red dot holographic aim assist. You can set the scope options here in the following slides. As you can see, you can also use the minus and the plus icon. So basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.